Namaste, good evening India. Today is full moon. What is full moon? When the earth comes in between sun and the moon, then it becomes a full moon. The moon becomes completely illuminated from the perspective of the earth. Moon appears bright, and this has importance of emotional health. That this means the lunar hemisphere facing earth near the side is completely sunlit, and we can use this sunlit energy to improve our emotional health by a guided meditation, which I will be doing just now for few minutes. What we want to do with this guided meditation, there are certain fears, there are certain anxieties, there are certain old bad habits, old beliefs, or we are carrying the baggage of past behind. We want to relieve them, and we want to get positive energy, we want to acquire peace, we want to get happiness, and we have certain desires which we can manifest. And by using the by using the moon energy, which is completely lit, we can try to heal ourselves. How will I start? You see here I have a pad, journalism, I can write here. There is a candle or a diya, match, and I am doing this full moon meditation with my yoga coach Ankita. Ankita is my yoga coach. She has guided me to do this full moon meditation in order to build positive emotional strength inside me. So what will we do? Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. I am removing my spectacles. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. I am inhaling from the nose, exhaling from the mouth, and removing the negative energies which are unwanted, undesired in my life. Certain things which I do not want. I do not want anger, I do not want fear, I do not want doubt, I do not want to procrastinate the things, I do not want laziness in my life. That I am removing by this meditation. And positive things, I want to get up 5 a.m. in the morning, I want to have confidence, and I want to have energy, I want to have good health. These are the positive manifestation, 4, 5, 6 or whatever, that I am going to take inside me today, full moon meditation. So we are closing our eyes and we are inhaling, exhale. Focus on the breath. Now you consider the illuminated moonlight is entering your head. Keep inhaling in, out. This light energy of the moon is now in the two hemispheres of our mind and is healing me emotionally. It is removing the unwanted energies which were there. Now I find the moon light energy entering into my lungs, my stomach, my entire body, and it is removing whatever tension, stresses, anxieties, fears, or whatever pains, miseries which I have. It is relieving me of that. Keep breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. From the mouth, I breathe out the negative energies. And slowly, the sun, the moon energy has healed my entire body. I am opening my eyes. I will light a candle now on a diya, candle or a diya. Now the diya is lit. As you can see, the candle, as the candle is burning, you see a flame. As you can see the flame, and I write 5 things which I do not want, and these are the unwanted energies which are bothering me and which are wasting of my energy and draining me mentally, physically, spiritually and emotionally. I don't want anger, I don't want laziness, I don't want bad health, I don't want bad relations with people, and I want to have good behavior, I want to be kind, compassionate. So whatever I don't want, as the flame is going, what I see, I have written what I don't want, and as I see the wax is melting, I am focusing on this, and the negative things which I do not want, they are also melting with the wax, melting with the wax. I have noted down on a piece of paper the negatives which I don't want. Now I am focusing my attention. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Now I am focusing on the moon energies entering into my body, that what I want. I want good health, I want good confidence, and I want good skill, and I want to have abundance of everything. I want to progress in my career, I want to make a lot of money, I want good house. Whatever good things I want, I am imagining during the full moon, as this candle is still lighting up, and I have written that on a separate piece of paper. Again, inhale, exhale. Our purpose is our well-being of ourselves, our family, and to have love, to have respect, and to maintain positive and healthy relationships with all the human beings on planet Earth. So during this full moon, our meditation is that heal ourselves and heal the planet Earth. I did this practice with my yoga coach Ankita. I thank her. She is my yoga teacher. So at the same time, whatever I am doing, that message I am giving to all of you. You can also do full moon meditation and get rid of unwanted energies, unwanted desires, those things which are holding you, and acquire those habits which can help you and improve your health, financially, relationships, and everything you want in life. Namaste. फिर मैं मिलता हूँ next time.